welcome back to my channel. Today is a beautiful Sunday and I hope you guys are getting your regular Sunday fitness workouts. So today is a very important topic that I'm going to be talking about. I'm going to give you a brief summary of the exercise that I'm going to be teaching you. Back pain. Back pain is the most common problem for men as well as women. Women who have delivered, children who are working long hours at home doing domestic chores, teachers, school teachers, IT professional, men or women, we all suffer of back pain at some point of our lives, including me. I suffer of a lower back problem from a very long time. So how do we address this problem? So we have to strengthen our back with regular stretching, back stretching exercises and back strengthening exercises. So you could do this pre-workout or post-workout, or when you're going to bed. It happens to me when I go to bed in the night. That is when the pain increases so much, because it's been a long day and so much of stress and strain, wear and tear of the back. So generally my nights are pretty bad because of my back pain. So what do? I instantly lie down on the bed and do these exercises. So what I'm trying to say is, you could do this exercise lying down in the bed or whenever it is convenient for you. Even at your workplace, when you go to the washroom, you can stretch your back. So I will give you various options of the back stretching exercises, and make sure whether you have back pain or no, these exercises will strengthen your back and will keep you away from back pain. And it is pretty good. It's a very good stretch also, and it keeps you active throughout the day. So let's get to the workout. Please follow this step by step. So I have this foam roller which I am so attached to. I travel with this whenever I'm traveling. It is always there in my car or in my gym bag. So I will teach you how to use the foam roller in the end of the workout. So let's begin. So what you do is always point your toes, tighten those kneecaps, point and hold it for 10 counts. Flex, hold it. I'm going to do it pretty short so that you can follow my instruction while you're doing. So hold it again for 10 counts. Try and stretch as much as you can. Let the spine stretch. Try, if you can, try and touch your toes. Slowly stretch again. Fold those legs and lie down. Take a deep breath. Deep breath. Point your toes. Again, flex it. Bring both your arms forward. Bring the knee together. Slowly relax. Slowly lift your hips up and hold it for 10 counts. Please make sure you do it very gently. Any discomfort, please stop immediately. And release. You could do this 10 times. 2, release. 3, release. 4, release. You could do this 10 times, and for the final hold, you can hold it as high as you can. There has to be a bridge. Hold it high as you can and hold it for 10 counts. And release. Bring the knee up. Hold one knee and stretch the other leg. Hold it for 10 counts. Gently bring the other knee, stretch and hold it for 10 counts. Bring the knee together, open those arms, take both the legs aside, slowly. Do it at your pace, no hurry. Take the leg to the other side. You could do this again 5 or 6 times. See your fitness levels and you can progress with time. 2, 3, and the last one. Hold the knee gently. Slowly come up. Turn the other side. Get the position right. I want you to stretch as much as you can and release. This is called the cat-cow position. So, generally the cat stretch this way. It's a beautiful stretch. You will instantly feel the, relief. If you have suffering of pain, you will instantly feel the relief. And stretch and look up. Bring your hands forward and hold it there for 10 counts. This is a beautiful back stretch. You can actually feel the spine and your back stretch. Look at the ceiling. Hold it for 10 counts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and release. Come up. Stretch again. And reverse. Inhale and come down. You could do this for 5 times. And hold. Hold both the ankle. Only if you can do this. Pull it towards you and come up. Release. Hands on your head. I want you to come up and release. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and hold. And this is called the Superman stretch. Okay. Now you are going to lift the right hand, left leg up and hold it for 10 counts. Release. Opposite side. Take both the hands up. And stretch. Come back. That was a quick back stretch, and this is the foam roller. I'm going to be stretching. Oh, that instant relief that you get when you do the foam roller. You could get the foam roller any of the sports store, even on Amazon. I think I got mine on Amazon. Try and always keep the foam roller with you. Trust me, it does wonders to your recovery. Once you've had a heavy workout, it does wonders to your recovery. Other side. And finally for the back, and this is my most favorite stretch. Keep it right below your back, lower back, lie down and stretch. Oh, that was a quick workout, quick back stretching workout, and it works out. You could do it as a workout as it is. So anyways, I have a very noisy neighbor, a very sadistic neighbor who keeps making noises while I shoot. Anyways, world is full of cruel and evil people. Stay away from them. Do your workouts regularly and do your back strengthening exercises. Have a beautiful Sunday. Keep your workouts going and inspire people in and around you with your daily workouts. Have a beautiful Sunday. Cheers.